Hello, I'm Ernest and today I'm going to teach you how to read chord diagram. Okay, firstly you have two hands, your left hand and your right hand. Which hand do you think is used to press the chord? Is it this hand or this hand? Dun, 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 dun. Depending on whether you are left-hander or right-hander, but most of us are right-hander. So when we hold our ukulele, our body of the ukulele should be at the right side, and this is the neck of the ukulele and the head. It should be pressed by your left hand. Alright, so now let's quickly take a look at the ukulele first. There is a lot of section here, and all these sections are what we call frets. So for example, this whole section, first section, we call it first fret, second fret, and third fret, and so on. Okay, so if I say, can you use your first finger? Do you use this finger or this finger? So now let me explain to you how ukulele fingering is all about. Okay, everyone show me your left hand first. Okay, left hand, and this is not used to press anything, but it is used to support your ukulele when you're playing it. Okay, so you press here and then you press on your chords or anything that you're pressing. So let me explain again. So left hand, this is not used, it's used to support, and you left with four fingers. So this is your first finger, second, third, and fourth. I repeat again, this is your first finger, second finger, third finger, and fourth finger. Everybody got it? Great. So now, how do I press chord or how do I read chord diagram? The next thing you need to know is the string. If you have been through the tuning classes, you will know the string that is nearer to the floor is your first string, second, third, and fourth. Okay, so when I say, can you use your third finger, meaning 1, 2, 3, third finger, press your third fret, first fret, second fret, third fret, and your first string, third fret, meaning use my third finger, press on my first string, third fret is here. Okay, and which part of your finger should you press? Should you press it flat like this, or should you use your fingertip? Okay, the correct way is to use your fingertip and then press on it, and make sure your fingertip are not touching other string. Okay, so it should be woohoo, nice chord. And if you got sound like this, oh, it sound like tummy ache. Yeah, so it's wrong. So you must use your fingertip and make sure it sound good and clear. Okay, so now this is a C chord that I'm pressing. Okay, take a look around and I will put the chord diagram for you to see. Okay, and so the chord diagram is displayed in such a way. Okay, and this is your first string, this is your first string, second string, third string, and fourth string. First fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret onwards. First finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. So once you know how to read chord diagram, congratulations, you are going to be a good ukulelist at no time. See ya!